Marketing remarks. Private 5.1-acre property in an ideal Yelm location featuring 2 updated manufactured homes with a combined 2,592 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 4 baths, 3-bedroom septic. Both homes offer open floor plans and new laminate flooring throughout. The main home, 1,512 square feet, includes 3 bedrooms, vaulted ceilings, a new wood-burning stove, updated hall bath, and a beautiful wraparound Trex deck. The second home, 1,080 square feet, features 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths perfect for multi-generational living or rental income. Recent updates include newer roofs, approximately 5 years, upgraded kitchens and baths, stainless steel appliances, and new windows in select areas. The large 1,000+ square feet shop offers 8+ covered parking spaces, RV parking, 3 bay doors, and ample storage. All appliances, including washers and dryers.